Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Dave here from Takumi's World International. So we're here to show you another accessory for Honda Rebel 500. So this is the Diablo super short slip-on. This one can fit from the old model up to the latest. So let's begin. So here you go. Some call this shorty exhaust. So for Diablo they call this the super short. So it's really short. So this one has a built-in DB killer inside. You can actually remove this by unlocking this Allen bolt here and then pull this out. It's very nice. So this one includes the components also, the bracket, the clamp, the mid-pipe. So this is the bracket. Okay, so this is the bracket installed at the muffler and the rear footrest bracket. So you'll just need to attach it there. So this one will hold your muffler or your exhaust. This one. And then we have here is the springs. We have 2 springs included. We have also the bolts. So this one you will connect with your exhaust. We have the bolts, the washer, and the nut. And then last we have here is the mid pipe. So this one will connect the exhaust to your headers. So you have here also this is the one where the spring, this is where you put the spring. So it's like this, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, something like this. Or, oh, sorry, I'm wrong. So it's like this. And then this one connect to your headers. So later in this video, we will show you also the sound test for this muffler. So if you have more questions, you can comment below. For this exhaust, you can order from our page, Takumi's World International. You can follow me on Instagram as well, Dave.Takumi. For more updates, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching. See ya!